Good morning, teacher. My life project. Introductions. My name is Paula Lorena Granados Bautista. I am 29 years old and I am from Paipa, Boyacá. In these presentations, I will present my hopes and future expectations according to the objects of the class. Hopes and expectations. By the time I will have my career done, I would like to be my own boss. In I have my 100 business, I shall focus on to this place to place in. When I renovate my boat with my house, I will have him offer a dinner in best restaurant in town. If I go to United States, I might buy some stuff in my store. When my children will be awake, I'll send them abroad to learn English, language, and learn about cultures. If my business is good enough, I may have money to buy a house and big van. I am pretty sure that in years from now, I will have opened all my stores and it beats business almond. If I send my kids to the countries, I must visit them every month. Conclusions. I consider that this book is very useful and important for us to learn and practice while pronouncing. I have learned a lot about future perfect conditionals and past verbs. I feel more confident when speaking to hard English. Reference. Thank you.